Okay, so in this question we got to find arc AB and arc ED. So I'm going to start off just by like finding any angles that I know. So I know that could be 90. I know that could be 115. Therefore, this here would be supplementary, so it'd be 65. Okay, so I can then find arc AE because this would also equal 65. So since chords EC and AD intersect inside the circle, arc AE plus CD is going to equal 65 times 2, or like 65 is the average of AE and CD. So that makes AE equal to 45 degrees. Now, it looks like EF is 20 degrees, so that would make FA equal to 25 degrees, which would make this arc, you would have to average it with 25 and get 90 because these two form a right angle. So that means that this whole arc BC would have to be 155. Okay. So if you subtract 85 then from 155, then you could figure out that this arc is going to be, this arc right here is 70. Okay, let's see what else we could figure out. Okay, so angle J, it's kind of hidden up there, but angle J is going to be 30 degrees because we have this triangle here in red. That's a 30, 60, 90 because it's given that angle A is 90. So the arrow's pointing at angle A. You might not be able to see it, but it is. And then there's a 90-degree angle here. So, and we figured out before that that arc AF is 25 degrees. So that means that if you couple it with this arc that I'll highlight in yellow, alright, since that's a tangent and a secant, 30 degrees, this angle J here is going to be half the difference of arc AB, so we'll call that X, and 25 because they intersect outside the circle. So if you solve that, you get that X is equal to 85. So this arc right here is 85 degrees, 70, 85, and then you know that the other part, the green part is 25 and the orange part is 20. So to find the remaining part of the circle, we could subtract all those from 360. So on my calculator here, I'm going to do 360 and then I'm going to subtract, so I'll highlight it in like black. So I'm going to subtract 20 and 25 and 85 and 70 and 85, and I'm left with 75. So that would be ED, and AB was 85.